Hello friends, my name is Gopinath. I wish you a very happy Akshaya Tritiya today. On this auspicious day, ancient time, people were doing five important things which I like to share with you all. Before that, kindly subscribe, share, like this channel. Akshaya means eternal or that which never diminishes. So people buy properties, vehicle, gold and start new activities today. Before telling these five important things, I would like to share the glories of Akshaya Tritiya today. Lord Parshurama appeared in this planet on this auspicious day. He killed all the demoniac kings 21 times. Lord Vyasudev requested Ganesh ji to write Mahabharata on this auspicious day. It has been said that Brahma started his creation of this universe today. We all know the story of Sudama meeting Lord Krishna and he giving a chipped rice. And in turn, he got wealth more than Indra's. Also, today's auspicious day is Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder Acharya of ISKCON, started the League of Devotees. And today marks the beginning of Chandan Yatra, which is celebrated for 21 days. Lord Krishna himself sent Sripad Madhavendra Puri to collect Chandan and apply on his body. Srimati Gangadevi descended to this material world on the request of Bhagirath today. Draupadi was disrobed in the assembly today, and Lord Krishna supplied unlimited shari to protect her. It's the same auspicious day Lord Kubera made treasurer for the Devatas. On this auspicious day, Lordship Banki Bihari shows his lotus feet in a year only once. Similarly, Lord Nrsimhadev in Simachal is always covered with chandan throughout the year. On this auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya, you can see the complete form of the Lord. It is also mentioned that the yugas start on Akshaya Tritiya day. Satyuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga. And today is the auspicious day Lord Shuryadev gave Akshaya Patra to Yudhishthira Maharaj. We all know this famous story uh, of Durvasa Muni coming with his disciple to the Pandavas while they were in forest. The Akshaya Patra wouldn't give food once Draupadi eats. And Durvasa Muni comes after Draupadi taking a meal. Krishna, by just taking one rice, he satisfies the Durvasa Muni. Also, it is the appearance day of Naranarayana Rishi. The Chardham temple opens for darshan today. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarinath, all opens for the public for the darshan. And also the sweet pastime of Nanda Maharaj in Vrindavan happened on this auspicious day. Krishna learned that Nanda Maharaj was trying to go to Prayag to take a holy dip. He requested Nanda Maharaj to stop and travel the next day. The next day being Akshaya Tritiya, the Tirtha of all the Tirthas, Prayagraj himself come to Vrindavan and he takes holy dip to eradicate his sins. So Nanda Maharaj was surprised to see Prayagraj was here. And upon inquiring, he found that he comes every day on Akshaya Tritiya day to remove his sin in Vrindavan. And it's also the auspicious day in Puri Jagannath for Ratha Yatra. Constructing of the Ratha Yatra starts. Friend, on this auspicious day, five important things which we can do is japa, tapa, dan, snan, and havan. Whatever wealth we have, it will not come after our end of our life. Whatever good deeds we have performed, that will be permanent, that will come forever. We learn from the Alexander story that he had a three wish before his death. Number one, he wants to carry his body coffin by the physician who treated him to let people know that nobody can save the life. Number two, he want to distribute or throw all the wealth he had during his final rituals so that people know that he can't carry the wealth which he had accumulated. Number three, he want to put its empty hand out of the coffin to know the people that he came empty-handed, he has to go empty-handed. Now, whatever the pious activity we do, that will come with us. Let us see the five important things which we can do. Number one is japa. You can chant any name of the holy name of the Lord, which you are like, Sagashanama or Rama, any name which you like. In this Kali Yuga, it is recommended Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Namaiva Kevalam, Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva Gadiranyata. One can chant this Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is a recommended process. People can chant this mantra. The second thing is you can do is tapa. Tapa means austerity. Austerity means fasting. Fasting means we can remember the Lord. So people can read the scriptures, Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, all the 18 chapters. If you're not able to read 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita, you can at least read one chapter. If not, at least one sloka. For you, I've given here 4 slokas which you can read if you don't have time. अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवो मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां भूतभावसमन्वितः मच्चित्तमद्गतप्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन माम् उपयान्ति ते तेषां येवानुकम्पार्थम् अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः नशयामि आत्मभवस्तो ज्ञानदीपेन पाश्वता. The third activity what we can do is dan. The topmost dan or charity gift is that annadan. You can feed the poor or needy people. You can offer the sanctified food. Number 4, taking a holy dip, which is snan. Going to the Ganges or any other holy rivers, you can take a dip. If you're not able to travel, you can mentally call Ganga, Ganga, Ganga 3 times so that she will come. Or you can recite this sloka before you're taking the bath. Gange cha yamunas chaiva godavari saraswati narmada sindhu kaveri jalesmin sannadim guru. By invoking the auspicious rivers, you can take bath. The fifth is Havan or fire sacrifice. If you're possible, you can do fire sacrifice. If not, in the Kali Yuga, recommended process is Sankirtana Yagya, which is singing the glories of the Lord, names of the Lord Hari. Today, I like to sing a sloka of Parshura, how he killed the Kshatriyas 21 times. Similarly, this I want to dedicate this to all the COVID-19 affected people as well as the frontliner who are helping us to protect. I pray to the lordships to remove the virus, and I dedicate this to all the COVID-19 people.
Snabbayasi payasi samita bhavatapan Kenavaduta Brahmapati Rupa Jayavadita Hare Jayavadita Hare Jayavadita Hare.
Thank you very much. Hope this is useful. Hare Krishna.